show you a very simple planter out of your old shampoo bottle. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So for doing these types of simple planters, all you require is your used and old shampoo bottles. So I have removed the stickers and now you have to cut at this portion by using a hot knife. So now you can see that I have finished cutting this shampoo bottle by using a heated knife. So if you want, you can just add a hot iron box and keep it over to this layer so that these sharp portions get removed. So the next item which we require is clay. So here I am going for colored clay. You can also use agar clay, which gives a better perfection. So here, if you are not having agar clay, you can just go for colored clay also. Then the next product which we require is Fevicol. So here I am using white clay. So we are going to make a face arrangement by using clay. You can see that I have stick the clay in this manner. I have just made a thin layer. I have just stick by using Fevicol. You can use a small toothpick to make the shape of this eye. I have just painted by using white acrylic color. Now the next step is I am going to give a speckle paint to this arrangement. So next, for making speckle paint, all you require is your old toothbrush. Then here I am using black acrylic color paint, so palette. Then what you do is just dip the brush into the paint and just you have to spray in this manner. So this speckle paint arrangement has given a stone matte finish to this particular planter, as you can see. So long back I have done this planter by using a normal Domex bottle. So this has inspired me to do this planter for my viewers. So I have placed this planter near to my TV unit. So you can see this beautiful arrangement along with the other knickknacks which I have already shared in my video. So you can see. The planters gives a very unique look to your home space. So I hope you have all enjoyed my video. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.